In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Gmail two-factor authentication. Now, to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Gmail on your device and sign in to the account where you want to activate two-factor verification. Click on the top right corner of your screen and click on Manage Your Google Account. And this will take you to a browser where your Google account is signed in. Head over to the security section of your Google account and click on two-step verification, and this will take you into a new page where you can turn on your two-step verification for your Google account. And here, go ahead and click on the turn on two-step verification. Now, once this is turned on for your account, you'll be able to find this. So Google will send a Google prompt or a verification code on your mobile number once someone attempts to sign into your account. So as you can see in here, my two-step verification is on. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.